We are connected to nature. It lives within us always. Have you ever thought about which animal best represents you? A panther, a lion, or perhaps a wolf? I received a special order to create a unique gift for a special man who sees himself as a lone wolf. Here's what I came up with. This is a sterling silver variation. Unfortunately, I was so carried away by work that I forgot to film part of the video. And of course, this same pendant made of copper. What do you think of this gift? And if you had to choose, which animal resonates with you the most? Good luck and see you soon.